Hi guys, I'm introducing you. This is a solar Wi-Fi camera. You can see online something looking like this. This works with a solar panel over here. Check this out. So you see the solar panel, antenna, IR, LED, PIR sensor, lens, bracket, and antenna. Okay, nothing that special about this. Let's see. 1080p, 2 wired audio, waterproof, solar powered, motion alarm, night vision, support Wi-Fi, support TF card, built-in lithium battery. Okay, let's unbox this product. Okay, so it comes with this little solar panel. It's kind of small to be powered. This is about, it looks like it's a 5-watt solar panel over here. And then here's your camera. Let's take out the camera and check. Okay, it looks something like this. So it will be attached like this, and then your antennas will go up. You attach the solar panel on top here, and then yeah, it looks like it's 360. Yeah, 360 camera like this that moves around. Okay, finished.